words fall on the floor. Some days a word can start a war. Cut deep and aiming for the core. We both lose, what do we do it for? Scream and yell and we take it out on each other. This adrenaline we could use for the better. All the hours we waste when we could be closer. I know that there's a way for us to work it out. Can you and I sleep it off? Now that this fight's heated up, screaming turn to talking, talking turn to touching. Can you and I sleep it off? Can you and I sleep it off? Locked in, this is who we are. No space, right back at the start. Let's call a truce inside each other's arms. Cause it's a lie to think we're better off apart. Scream and yell and we take it out on each other. This adrenaline we could use for the better. All the hours we waste when we could be closer. I know that there's a way for us to work it out. Can you and I sleep it off? Now that this fight's heated up, screaming turn to talking, talking turn to touching. Can you and I sleep it off? Can you and I sleep it off? Can you and I sleep it off? Can you and I? Can we just sleep it off? Can you and I? Can we just sleep it off? Can you and I sleep it off? Now that this fight's heated up, screaming turn to talking, talking turn to touching. Can you and I sleep it off? Can you and I sleep it off? Talking turn to touching.
Yeah. Bye, baby. Then you fly, baby. Looking at the whip frame, that's a nice 80s. Used to throw it to me like Tom Brady. With that long blonde hair, that's Marsha Brady. I'm all about you lately, Chelsea high handler. Got your legs racing hard on vacation. No exaggeration, said you amazing. Moving too fast, can't pace it.
When I first met you, thought it was special. I told you that. Hey boy, up until lover's point, when I kissed you, I meant it. I wanna go back.
I don't wanna go,
Wanna go back.
but if you wanna go,
Can we go back?
I'll make it happen, though.
Can we go back?
Let's do it soon, but
It was
first night, so I'ma have to do you better than the first time. I'm loving how you scratching and you gritting your teeth. I'm loving how that booty shake when it's on me. You got a nigga blowing up your caller ID. Guess it was all